guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our RBNC-3 BNC Connector Tool. This tool is the perfect tool for installing or removing BNC connectorized cables in tight or cramped locations. The tool features compact design, 2¼ inches, and as I said, perfect for hard to reach or tight, cramped locations. It has a steel loop on it which serves two purposes. Can be used to attach to a carabiner or a key ring for carrying the tool, but can also act as a lever to facilitate installation or removal of the BNC connector. Has knurled handle on it that gives you nice secure grip. It is made of high carbon steel and black oxide finish for long life and durability.